What's going on YouTube? Dorito here, and today we're going to be replacing a fender liner and a rear bumper cover, and it's on the 2010 Dodge Caliber. So let's get on with it, shall we? Okay, so I had some tread rip up on a tire, and it actually did this and that damage to the front fender. So we're going to go ahead and remove this rear bumper cover here, which goes all the way around, and it has a little pop-up. It has little pop-up inserts all the way around there. And then as well on the fender liner, you have two bolts right here. So, and then as well, after I get that done, I'll be putting on the rear fender liner, which is new. So let's go ahead and get on with it. Those are the parts, that's the job. All right, guys. So the tools you're going to need for this is you're going to need a 7mm socket, flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers. Now, why that is you're going to have two bolts that go into the fender liner here, and then you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the little pop-up inserts. And how you need to get those out is you just pop them up with a screwdriver, reach on in there, and pull them up and out. Now it's a little harder with this because you do have the liner here, but I'm not going to pull that off. I'm just going to pull them around it, and hopefully that'll work. So let's go ahead and speed up this process and get on with it, shall we? Okay guys, so there was the foam in the bumper, and we got to actually take that out and put that in the bumper liner. So I got my little assistant here, the little chip off the old block. She's going to help me put it up. What do you say, darling? Let's get on with it.
Shall we?
Okay, ready? Put it up in here. Okay, we're going to set it on down. And then I'll take it from there. Thank you very much. Can I get a high five and a kiss? I love you.
Thank you.
See you later. Be careful. All right. So we got that in there. Now, what that is the bumper liner here. Let me show you guys. It's the foam that goes into the bumper liner itself. So, anyways, we'll get the inserts on here and get right back to you. Alright guys, so there was two inserts that came out of the old liner that go in there, two little clips. And where they're going to go, let's see if I can get the camera over here, okay? Alright, so what you're going to do with that is you're going to line it all up here and get it set in there. You see the little holes there, little holes there. Take this clip here, pop her in, take the other clip, pop that in. There isn't a hole or a clip in the center of this one, but it keeps it popped in. There we go. And it keeps it locked up to the back there. It's a little foam insert. So we got the bumper liner on. You see it looks pretty good. It is set on. I'm going to actually get ready and put the wheel well on, but I wanted you guys to see what it looks like. I did have to go to the auto parts store and get a few extra clips. So I'm going to pull this back out, put the fender liner on, so then I can set everything in properly. All right, so we'll fast forward that. Alright guys, we got the fender liner on, and we're going to go ahead and put our rear inserts in so we can put the bumper on. So we're just going to go ahead and pop those in like such, and when you tighten up the screw they'll go into place better. So there's one, there's two, and then we'll do two on the other side and get the bumper on. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this bumper on real quick. As you can see, it goes in pretty easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and speed up this process now and put in the screws and stuff like that, and we'll get buttoned up. All right. Guys, so we got the fender liner on and secure, got it lowered down. We got the bumper liner on all the way around and secure. So it took roughly about 2 hours. You know, I did have to run and get some parts and stuff like that, but overall I think it looks pretty good. Tomorrow we're going to get it over to Heimlich Hot Rods and replace the strut on it and put a new tire on the rim. But anyways, for now that's pretty much done. So I wanted to thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to come back to Dorito and Lucha Cabre. Peace!